Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows channel. In Windows 11, File Explorer only shows the folder name in the title bar, but sometimes you need to see the full folder path, especially when working with deep folders or multiple locations. In this video, I will show you how to see the full folder path in the File Explorer title bar in Windows 11. This method is built-in and Windows does not require any extra software to enable this one option. First click on the start button, then click settings. After that select system in the left sidebar. On the right scroll down to the bottom and click on this one advanced. After that click on File Explorer. After that here you will see an option show full path in title bar. Turn this toggle on. That's it. Now when you open any folder, you will see the complete folder path in the File Explorer title bar. For example, just open File Explorer and open any folder, and you can see here in the title bar full path of this folder is visible. That's all about this video. Bye.